Hi, beautiful souls. This is Yana, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Yana Sibinska. My website is yanakalai.com, and my email address is kaliana82@gmail.com. Welcome to my short update. But first, I want to mention that my videos are for educational purposes only. I'm here to inspire you, empower you, share my information, knowledge with you through my own filters, representing my consciousness, coming from my soul signature, energy signature. And this video is for those who are sensitives, who are empaths, who work with energies. It's for star warriors, light workers, crystal children, indigo children, children of the elemental kingdom, and yeah, it's the galactics, the ground crew here. So welcome. So today 11/11, right? It's a portal of energies, very important day. So just in a little bit I'm going to do the meditation, unity meditation with Sandra Walter at 11/11. It's all about ascension. It's all about going within and activating our DNA, our crystalline DNA. It's all about knowing ourselves, who we truly are, walking soul here on earth. So it means daily meditation, connection with our soul. Remember, our heart belongs to our soul. So then we are the column of light shining bright, right? And yeah, that's this is and remember our mission, why we came here, right? This is what it's all about. This is a test for us being on this planet, the planet of duality. Pretty much, there are the forces, right? We're having that battle between light and dark. Remember, we have to balance both because we are part of this system and part of those both energies, the dark matter and the light. So the integration is very important. That from within, the cleansing, clearing, it's very important. Not only our bodies, but also our homes, right? Making sure we live simple life. We are minimalist, but high energy, frequency, vibration, and quality. Also, that means eating good food, quality food, spring water, filtered water, structured water, however you call it, and living a simple life so we can be of service, right? We're busy with the inner work, but I know also we have to support ourselves somehow. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm also looking for a place to stay. There are so many wonderful people offering me place to stay. The money, it's like, okay, am I going to make it or not? We will see. But I have to have faith and trust because I do have a mission. There are more people subscribing to my YouTube channel, and that's excellent. And I'm in touch with somebody in Southern California because my plan is to go to California. I love California. So we'll see how that is going to be because we want to start creating communities with like-minded people, right? We want to create something special, some beautiful vortex energy where we can really enjoy ourselves, our true selves, who we truly are, cooperating, co-creating beautiful life on earth, and at the same time then being ready and prepared to help others, those who will join us later. We're the first wave of Ascension pioneers, right? So we are the guiding light for others. We're the one who are then paving the way for others, and especially my mission is for the young generation of crystal children, rainbow children, diamond children, especially children who were abused and violated, and also for young veterans who also went through lots of torture and lots of tyranny while serving, being of service, and because the whole military, right, is kind of mafia thing going on. All these Dracos, reptilians, they just want to control, manipulate, and it's like a war machine for them. The guys are the slaves, and they're just creating all these wars for the blood money so they can do more of that satanic ritual sacrifices of children and damaging Mother Earth, her beautiful body, right? She's a goddess Gaia, and just having all this tyranny all around because they themselves are programmed and to be tyrants, and that's not fun anymore. This needs to be stopped, and it's stopping. There's so much more of that a disclosure, ET disclosure going on, and also exposure of the wrongdoings, even through our President Trump, right, about the sex trafficking and with children. So I invite you to also start watching alternative news like Ken Dunn and Dr. Sam Mugzzi, right, with Drake Bailey. It's always good to have have the other perspectives, you know. I mean, I love to know as much information as possible. Yes, I'm an information freak, but from all these other angles. So then I go deep within, right? I process all the information, and then once it's integrated, I can be here for you, for others, and share that wisdom, my truth, you know, and helping people with awakening and with expanding their consciousness. So that's pretty much my mission, my passion, being a divine messenger, sharing wisdom and knowledge with the world. I also have this strong connection with the Rishi sages of the Himalayan mountains. Like I said in my previous video, I want to bring that knowledge of yoga, of true yoga, which is union with the divine, here to this society, and you know, helping those wounded ones and those young ones, young generation, to get them back on track. So that, you know, they can heal themselves, they remember who they really are, and then being of service, because they will remember then their mission, why they came here on earth. And that's what will keep us going and creating this beautiful planet on earth, this beautiful world, right? And bringing heaven on earth, and creating this 5D paradigm, getting out of the 3D matrix of artificial intelligence, right? Of that nonsense, of that slavery, of that 3D programming, all these tricks and falseness that is going on, right? All this pollution, chemtrail, GMO, 5G towers, and paying all these bills and money for what? That Mother Earth provides everything for free. So this is not correct, right? Sometimes even like wondering, there are all these new models of cars, like why? We can have a car, they actually have a engine on water or salt water, right? We can have a levitating flying cars because of the magnetics. So I'll be praying actually and meditating in a little bit. Please join me 11:11 to 8:11 Eastern time, right? For ET disclosure, for also all these wrongdoings, exposure, and so also the new technology the suppressed technology can be finally put on public, so people can enjoy free energy, and they can enjoy themselves, and, you know, living their lives, you know, the lives of and peace and harmony, just being in our heart, loving ourselves, right, and loving others, because all is about here in this world, or in this duality, transcending that duality, and just sharing our gifts and talents, and just being like one family, right, respecting each other. And that's why it's very important to download, to embody the energies of our soul, right? Our soul is gorgeous. There's transparency, there is beauty, there is peace, there is harmony, there is equality, there is divine justice, there is compassion, right? So I encourage everybody, you know, start doing the soul connection every day, connecting to your soul, and then having sacred connections, doing sacred connections with the cosmos, I mean with your true self, with your highest pure energy consciousness, and of course connecting through your heart to the core of Mother Earth. And that's what the Unity Ascension meditations are with Sandra Walter. So we're activating our DNA, right? And we're also praying for a new fair financial system, and pretty much for equality. I am also hoping for the new financial system, that something will happen, that people will have, you know, enough money to pay rent and food, so we don't have to struggle and just, you know, work so hard, and for what, you know, that they're polluting our food, polluting the soil, the water, the fluoride everywhere, right? All these horrible chemicals in our food, in vaccines, that they're destroying the young generation, children. So that needs to be stopped. So it's good to be aware of this kind of things. So I feel like not only me, but there are other people exposing all this kind of stuff. But this kind of my thing, exposing the wrongdoing, so people are informed. So don't freak out. It's just good to know all these kind of things and then make adjustments. And my communities will be all about that kind of renovation of yourself, like resurrecting of your true self, having that soul connection and consciousness expansion, doing all that cleansing, clearing, and purification. So you become one with your source, and of course, which is our creator, right? God self. So these are my kind of now incentives, my goals, my objectives. So this is just a short update. It's very important to today to at least do one of those meditations, whether unity meditation, ascension meditation, going deep within, opening to the universe. The portals are being opened. Please talk to your soul, connect with your star family, galactic family, or our friends in the inner earth, right? They already live there in fifth dimension. They're actually that's the Lemurian community, right? And so I hope you will get that message, and I hope you will feel all these energies of resurrection and of co-creation. And please join me, whether kind of through all these meditations, or through your mind, through your soul, just creating beautiful place on earth, creating this beautiful world, utopia, 5D paradigm, paradise. And hopefully I'll see you soon. We can get together and co-create something beautiful. Okay, so much love to you, peace to you. Also, of course, honoring the veterans today, right? It's a Veteran Day. And also honoring this whole portal day, 11-11-11. Remember, we are powerful, we are beautiful, and we are creators of our reality. So many blessings to you, and namaste. You take care. Bye-bye.